go. Hey, chances are you came to this video because you want to learn more about what's happening with IM Mastery Academy, what's happening in the foreign exchange market, what's happening in the digital currency market, a market that's moving trillions and trillions of dollars a day. Guys, by the time that this video is over, you're going to learn a powerful way how you can participate in this market directly from the comfort of your phone, and how you can take advantage of it in your day-to-day life. And guys, I want you to understand that this is already happening. It's already happening in over 120 countries, and thousands of people have utilized the same information that I'm about to give you to change their situation. So with that being said, we're going to get into what is Forex. Forex is an abbreviation for foreign exchange. Now, when you go to another country, or when you go to the mall, or when you go to the airport and you see the currency exchange booth, that's exactly what foreign exchange is the exchange rate between currencies. Because when you go to that country that you're visiting, you have to exchange your currency for that country's currency, so that way you can participate in their economy. Now, understand that every country has a currency. This currency has a value, and this value fluctuates 24 hours a day, giving us an opportunity to actually participate in the market. Now, as long as you have a smartphone, a tablet, or a computer, and some internet, you can take advantage of this market, right? This market is moving $6.6 trillion a day. And if you compare it to our New York Stock Exchange, the stock exchange moves about $22.4 billion a day. That's a lot of money, but it takes the stock market anywhere between 8 to 10 months to do what the foreign exchange market does in one single day. And the reason why is because we're not dealing with companies, we're actually dealing with countries and their economy altogether. Now, the next thing is digital currency, stuff like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Guys, understand that we are in the digital age. Now, within the digital age, you're gonna have digital currency. And 10 years ago, no one really knew about what Bitcoin was until, it was broadcasted all over the news. Oh my God, Bitcoin hit 19K. Guys, this is the market that you can participate in, because with the digital age comes digital currency. So let's go ahead and get into how you can take advantage of the #1 platform in the entire world, so that way you can participate and learn more about this market. So what is IM Mastery Academy? IM Mastery Academy was founded in July 4, 2013, and the sole purpose was to bring Wall Street to the Main Street, so the average individual like you and me can learn how to participate in this market. And guys, what I want you to understand is that you don't need to be a professional trader right off the jump, right? You don't need to know the information, because that's where we start off with in the academy. Now, within the academy, you have 3 different courses. You have your FRX, which is your Foreign Exchange Academy. You have your HFX, which is your High Frequency Binary Options Academy. And then you have your Digital Currency Academy, your DCX Academy. Now, within these academies, you're gonna learn the skill set of these different courses, but you're gonna find what works best with you. Now, within the Foreign Exchange Academy, the FRX Academy, you're gonna learn about what is Forex, what is a trend, what is a Fibonacci retracement, what is a pattern, right? And within this, you're gonna be able to understand what the professionals know. Now, it's one thing to watch the videos in the academy, but it's actually another thing to actually see it applied in real time right in front of you. And this is where our Go Live comes in. Now, within our Go Live platform, you're actually gonna be able to watch professional educators take trades in front of you. Now, there's 2 parts of our Go Live. You have one, live education, where you can watch someone apply the information that you just learned in the academy in real time, so that way you see how it's done. And there's also a chat box where you can ask them questions. Or 2, there's the live trading, where you can actually watch professional educators trade live right in front of you, so that way you can see how the thought process of a professional when they look for the market, right? And a lot of people ask me, Laith, how much time does this take, right? How much time do I need to dedicate? And I always tell people, if you can dedicate 1 hour to 2 hours a day, 5 days a week, in 90 days, you're not gonna be a master trader, but you're gonna be confident enough to know what it is that you're looking for and what trades what you're gonna take within the market. So with that, after our Go Live, we have our strategies. Now, within our strategies in our Hello Center, you're gonna be able to pick a weapon that you wanna choose to participate in the market with. Now, different from AI software to, where you actually get professional signals sent to your phone, right? Now, you have stuff like the harmonic scanner, levels, pivots, and steady, where you can actually get professional traders sending you trade ideas, something that you can understand and easily follow along with. Now, if you don't know how to use a strategy, if you go back to our Go Live, we have strategies education, where professional traders teach you how to use that specific strategy, so that way you can become a master in it as well, right? I've seen a lot of courses out there where they're paying $5, $10, $15, $20,000 for a course. But guys, over here in I Am Mastery Academy, you're not gonna pay an arm and a leg for it, right? To literally get started with our basic education, is $235 for your initial monthly tuition. And then after that, every single month is a monthly tuition of $175. And that's just for the basic packages like the FRX, the HFX, and the DCX Academy. Now, if you're the kind of person where you just want access to everything, you also have the Elite Pack where it's $325 and a monthly tuition of $275 every month, right? So over a course of a year, would it make sense to spend a couple $1,000s to learn how to multiply money? To me, whenever I saw this, I was like, yes. Because I dropped out of school, but I didn't let, school hold me back from, participating in this market. But I also have friends where they have, 10, 20, 30, 50, $100,000 of student loan debt, but they're not participating or using their degree in their market. And I saw this as like, there needs to be a way where we can come into the market and not have to wait to get paid, not have to wait to see the results that we want to see. And that's why I Am Mastery Academy made sense to me. Now, like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this stuff for free. The best part is within the academy, you can actually share this with someone that you like, trust, and respect, and you can actually put them on to where they're making money in the market, right? And once you refer 2 people into the platform, the academy breaks even with you and you can say hello to free access. It's not 2 people a month, it's not 2 people a week, it's 2 people one time. As long as they remain active, the company breaks even with you. Now, the cool part is you can actually go past that and you can become an asset to the platform where you can actually get paid from it. And this is where I'm going to get into my business part, right? But before I get into that, I want you to understand that, there's authors like Robert Kiyosaki that talked about the cash flow quadrant, where he talked about, the people that are employees, self-employed, business owners, and investors, right? Now, what we just talked about was the 1% investors. What I'm about to get into is the 4%. Right? Now, within the 4%, you have business owners, and these are the people that have system. So with that being said, let's get into the business part. So what does it mean to become a business owner with an I Am Mastery Academy? Guys, before I get into this part, I just want to let you know that you don't have to be good at selling, recruiting, or building a large organization. Out of the 350,000 active people that we currently have within the academy, about 8% take advantage of what I'm about to go over. Everybody else just participates in the market and trading Forex. So if that's what you want to do, by all means go for it. But this part is for the people that don't like to leave money on the table. Now, within the becoming a business owner within the academy, I want y'all to understand that this is where we get to talk about residual income. Now, when it comes down to residual income, there's 4 popular ways to earn residual. The first way is real estate. Having a property, you put a tenant in there, that tenant pays you rent, that's residual income. Second most popular way is music. Drake wrote a song about it. Money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. Take a look at Elvis, Whitney Houston, Prince, people that are no longer here with us today, but every time someone plays their song, they get a check, right? Their family gets a royalty check. Now, the third most popular way is TV shows. Chances are you know what the show Friends is. It's streamed everywhere. It's all over TV. It's on Netflix. It's on Hulu, Amazon Prime, whatever. But that show, to this day, makes Warner Brothers $40 million a year. And of that $40 million, the actors are getting paid $4 million a year for something they did in 1990. So that's what residual income is. And the fourth most popular way is what I'm about to share with you right now within the academy. Guys, understand, like I said, those who understand what residual income is, they earn it every single month, and those who don't, they'll pay it for the rest of their life. So getting started with how you can take things to the next level and go past the 2 and free. Once you refer a third person to the platform, you actually have to give us permission to pay you. And once you do, you actually start earning $150 a month. $37.50 every single week, and you start getting paid the following Friday once you qualify. Once this accumulates to 12, right? And when I mean by accumulate, there's 3 ways that you can accumulate to 12. By either 1, you being a savage and signing up 12 of your friends or family to, to participate in this platform, or 2, you help your 3 get 3, or 3, the person that brought you in can actually place people within your organization and it counts for your business, right? Once this accumulates to 12, you're gonna start making $600 a month, $150 every single week, right? And this is so powerful because the average divorce, the average bankruptcy was broken apart because they didn't have an extra $500 to $1,000 a month. right? And that's what's happening in today's world. And guys, you have a chance to come into this and where you can start earning residual income. And most importantly, you can take the income that you see on your screen and actually throw it back into your trading account and actually use other people's money, OPM, to participate in the market and actually flip that money. Now, once this accumulates to 30, you're gonna start making $1,000 a month, $250 every single week. Now, my favorite part about this, guys, is because I'm sure you've seen other things out there that are just the same business plan like this. But what we have over here is there's no up twos, there's no on average you get paid this amount. What you see on your screen when you qualify for is what you get paid every single week. And that's why I love so much, is because of the transparency behind this company, right? The transparency behind the pay, and most importantly, the lucrative pay that we have within the platform. I just want you to know you can earn anywhere between an extra $150 all the way up to $750,000 a month through the platform. Yes, I know that's an absurd number, but there's people that are doing it every day. People that are 24, 23, 30, 40, that are actually making it happen within this platform. And that gives you the opportunity to do so as well. But with that being said, I want you to get back to the person that brought you this video, because there's three kinds of people that I meet in the world. There's the first kind, the person that makes things happen. They're the ones that get up every morning and they go after their goals in life, right? The second kind of person is the person that watches things happen. The person that sits in the bleacher, the person that sits on the sideline, they watch things happen before their eyes. And the third kind of person is the one person that wonders, what the heck just happened? But guys, in my experience, there's only one person out of that group that ever makes anything happen. So I want to thank y'all for watching this video. Get back to the person that invited you. And guys, I will see you at the top, because we know the bottom is way too crowded. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.